This update is well overdue, and I am well aware of that. This is a tutorial on AI and how it can expedite the writing process when it comes to psychological immigration evaluations. This is specifically regarding the report writing process. Now, I've told you in some of my short videos and my content that it doesn't have to be a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hour process. We can condense these reports to getting them done within 2 hours by using AI. So I'm pretty sure that you've already viewed the PDF template that I have for you all with all the prompts. Well, now I just want to do some brief tutorials on how to get started with ChatGPT and just kind of navigate how you can optimize the platform, the software to help you out. Let's get into it. I'm ready to do an introduction to ChatGPT. When I first logged into ChatGPT, it's been a long time since 2023 since I've had an unpaid version of ChatGPT, and today I just kind of wanted to mess with it, and I uploaded this document that I have, and you know, with the unpaid version of ChatGPT, like it gave me value. So I'm not too sure if you need the paid version to expedite your writing price process, but I'm pretty sure you just get that much more value from the paid upgraded versions of ChatGPT. But if you want to, go ahead and check it out, see what it can do for you. If it doesn't give you what you need, go ahead and upgrade. It's $20 a month. And I say that, I get no commission, I don't have a link for you, but I say that to tell you that when you're charging people 400, 500, $600, to 800, 7, whatever your price is. I'm giving you numbers to show you that $20, this is nothing in exchange for what you're receiving for the services that you're doing. So why not? Right? You get $600, $700, $800 for an evaluation. What is $20 to help you write the report and make it more crisp and sound? It's worth the investment. So if the unpaid version, like you see here, is sufficient for you, then go ahead and rock with it. I haven't been on the unpaid version since 2023, and I just played with it right now, and it gave me the value, like I said before. But if you wanted to upgrade after you create an account for ChatGPT, you wanted to upgrade, you go to upgrade plan, and then it has the different plans. This is the $20 a month that I'm on, most popular, whatever, personal. This is what I have, and then it tells you the differences in the ChatGPT. All right, so let's get into the paid version, which I have, so y'all can go ahead and see what I use it for. So you can create your own GPT. And what does GPT stand for, guys? Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Now, I know what it is, I just can't explain it to you, and I don't know the actual technical term. So basically what your GPT is, this is my GPT, all things immigration. And what I've done with my GPT is I've trained it how to write reports the way I want them to be produced, how I want my product to be pushed out. So as you can see, it says immigration psychological evaluation, written reports, immigration evaluation training. So this immigration evaluation training is specifically for your guide to immigration evaluation training platform, my course, my training, all the details that deal with that, my Facebook group, okay? Then my written reports are actual reports that I've written using ChatGPT, all things immigration evaluations. And then this one here is immigration psychological evaluation. So I uploaded reports that I've done in the past, redacted, and I kind of trained. It goes back to this whole generative pre-trained transformer. So I trained this GPT to push out the reports the way I talk, I speak, how I like them structured in the format. And so this is my GPT to help me expedite the writing process. This is how I'm able to write reports splickety split. Only thing that I do is use it to help me expedite. The main thing I do is use it to expedite the writing process when it comes to psychological immigration evaluations.